What's going on YouTube? This is Devin here, and I have a question for you today. I have some kitchen knives, so got this really nice looking knife. This thing would just like slice through anything. I could probably put it through this little box sitting here. But yeah, so let's do some little testing with these knives. I want to figure out which one I should use for my YouTube videos. So I should take a little clean with that. We'll test this guy out to see if it'll cut right through this guy. We'll just put this little box down, move these two out of the way right now. I'll just place it around. We were actually able to, like, do a little bit of denting in that though. That's so we could put this guy aside. We'll use the smaller looking knife. Just cut it like this. We'll cut a new spot. Didn't do as much. There's the first one and there's the second one. And we can bring the sawing knife in. I think this is our logo or whatever. So we can see which knife did more damage. This is the saw knife, the first knife, and second knife. So, I want you guys to either comment on this video or hit me up on Twitter. So you can go ahead, go on your device, okay? And you can go to me right here. And you can just hit, I was thanking people for birthday messages and stuff. You can hit that little follow button there. And you can hit this right here. And now you will receive notification whenever they tweet. And you can just tweet me and say the knife that I would like for you to use in the video is the huge knife or the saw knife or the smallest of them all. Basically, there's your options right there. So you'll say at drhockey2014, the knife that I would like for you to use in the video is the huge knife or the saw knife or the smallest of them all. That's basically what you'll do. So that concludes this video, and I want to thank you guys all for watching. Again, you can also hit me up on Instagram, Twitter. Links will be in the description down below. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.